In this tutorial, I will show you where to change the model in the Grok Android app and what happens on a free account. Start on the main Ask screen with the keyboard hidden. At the bottom of the message box, look for the current model name beside the lightning icon. This phone currently shows Fast. Tap that Fast selector to open the model list. The model picker shows the choices available in this version of Grok. Build is labeled Beta. Heavy uses a team of experts. Expert is described as thinking hard. Fast is for quick responses, and Auto can choose between Fast and Expert. Look at the styling carefully. Fast is bright and has a checkmark, while Build, Heavy, Expert, and Auto are dimmed under the SuperGrok offer on this free account. The checkmark tells you which model is active. Tap Fast and the picker closes, leaving Fast displayed in the Composer. Open the selector again, and the same Fast row is still checked. If your account gives you another bright selectable model, tapping that row is the normal way to change it. On this phone, the other model rows are not currently selectable for free. To verify the limitation, tap the dimmed Auto row. Grok does not switch the checkmark to Auto. Instead, it opens the SuperGrok subscription offer. That screen confirms Auto is behind a paid plan for this account. Do not press the purchase button unless you personally want to subscribe. No purchase is needed to finish checking the model availability. Tap the X in the top left corner to close the offer. You return to the Ask screen, and the selector still says Fast because no model change happened. This is the important result on a free account. You can open and inspect the model picker, but a dimmed premium row sends you to the subscription screen. Closing it does not charge you and does not change the active model. Here is the complete path again. On the Grok Ask screen, tap the current model name at the bottom of the message box. The picker shows Fast, with a checkmark, and the premium choice is dimmed. If you tap a locked choice, such as Auto, Grok opens the SuperGrok offer instead of changing the model. Close the offer with the X, then open the selector again and confirm Fast still has the checkmark. On an account where another row is bright and available, select it there and verify the new name appears in the Composer. On this free phone, only Fast can be retained, so claiming a successful switch would be inaccurate. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more honest Android app guides.